In a world where freedom is never guaranteed, strength must be built, forged, every day. At NCDMM, we don't just imagine the future. We help build it. For our warfighters, for our nation, for generations yet to come. For over 2 decades, NCDMM has been the trusted force behind America's manufacturing strength. As a nationwide solutions provider, we bring together innovators, industries, small businesses, and academia to meet the needs of the Department of Defense. Technology agnostic, mission-driven, we solve problems others can't, scaling life-saving technologies and establishing new frontiers for American manufacturing. Every system delivered, every technology transitioned, every dollar saved. It's not just about numbers, it's about lives protected, missions accomplished, and America's advantage made undeniable. We ensure every fight is fought and won on America's terms. Our horizon is limitless, fueled by strategic partnerships, bold innovation, and a family-like culture grounded in trust and purpose. We unite seasoned experts and emerging talent to shape the future of defense manufacturing. Tomorrow's battles will be won by today's visionaries, and we're here to help them lead. This isn't just our work, it's our calling. NCDMM, trusted to build the future of defense, trusted to protect America's promise.